Hello everybody, welcome back to English Building Blocks. In today's video we're going to discuss the common use of the prepositions of time. Okay. And if you like these videos, remember to click the like button and the notification bell, subscribe, okay? If you want, you can leave a comment down below. I'll happily answer any questions you may have, okay? And now, let's get to it. So, these prepositions of time. Now, there are three common prepositions of time, and these are in, on, and at. Okay, and the rules how to use these prepositions are very easy. So let's have a look. We use the preposition in when the adverb of time is more than 1 day. We use the preposition on when the adverb of time is exactly 1 day. And we use the preposition at when the adverb of time is less than 1 day. Okay, so now let's have a look at some examples. Let's begin with in. I normally go to the UK in summer. So summer is more than 1 day, and therefore we use the preposition in summer. Okay. Second example. I was born in 1979. So 1979 is a year and therefore obviously longer than 1 day. So we use the preposition in 1979. Okay, good. Now let's have a look at the preposition on. First example. I have English class on Monday. Okay, so Monday obviously is exactly 1 day, and therefore we use the preposition on Monday. Okay. Second example. I went to a restaurant on my birthday. So my birthday is exactly 1 day, so we use the preposition on my birthday. Okay. Now, lastly, let's have a look at the preposition at. Okay. I had lunch at midday. Midday is less than 1 day, so we use the preposition at. Okay. At midday. Another example. Okay. I sleep at night. So night obviously is less than 1 day. So we use the preposition at, okay, at night. So remember, the rules of in, on, and at as prepositions of time are you use in when the adverb of time is more than 1 day. We use on when the adverb of time is exactly 1 day. And we use at when the adverb of time is less than 1 day. Okay. So there are also some exceptions to these rules, 3 to be exact. So let's have a look. First exception, in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Obviously, morning, afternoon, and evening are all adverbs of time that are less than 1 day. However, we use the preposition in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Okay. For example, I have breakfast in the morning. Okay. Now, second exception, at the weekend or at weekends. Weekends obviously are longer than 1 day, but we still use the preposition at the weekend or at weekends. Okay, for example, I like playing tennis at weekends. Okay, now the last exception is about the holidays Christmas and Easter. we say at Christmas and at Easter. So obviously these are all adverbs of time that are longer than a day, but we still use the preposition at. For example, I like going back home at Christmas. Okay, so the three exceptions are in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. The second one, at the weekend and at weekends. And the last one, at Christmas and at Easter. Okay, good. So, there are 4 rules that you need to follow. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. So rule number 1 is about expressions like at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. Now, when you use expressions like these, then the preposition of the expression does not change depending on the adverb of time. Okay? So if the adverb of time is more than a day, 1 day, or less than a day, it does not matter. You still use the same preposition. Okay? For example, you can say at the end of May, at the end of New Year's Day, or at the end of the afternoon. Each time you use the preposition at, because with expressions, the preposition does not change. Okay? Good. So, rule number 2. When you use an adverb of time with a quantifier like every or some, or you use it with a determiner like this, next, or last, then you do not use a preposition. Okay, so for example, you say every Sunday. Okay, so you don't use a preposition every Sunday. Okay, or you say this summer, and again, you do not use a preposition. Okay, so remember, if you use a determiner or a quantifier, then you do not use a preposition with your adverb of time. Okay? Now, rule number 3. What do we do when we have a combination of adverbs of time? For example, Monday morning, right? So we normally use the preposition on with Monday, and we use the preposition in with morning. So what do we do when we use the combination Monday morning? Now, in such case, you always use on Monday morning. Okay? Other examples like on Friday evening, on Saturday night, or on Sunday afternoon, all use the preposition on. So remember, when you use that combination, you always use on. Okay? Good. So now rule number 4, and this is about periods of time. So what is a period of time? Now, a period of time is the amount of time before something happens. Okay? Some examples are 5 minutes, 1 day, or 4 months. Okay? And in all cases, you always use the preposition in 5 minutes, in 1 day, or in 4 months. For example, I'll see you in 5 minutes. So I need to wait 5 minutes before I see you. Okay, so remember, with these periods of time, we use the preposition in. Okay? Now, one observation. When we use the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on, then normally we use the preposition on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, and so on, right? But possibly you don't use a preposition, okay? For example, I can say, I'll see you on Monday. Okay, perfectly all right. But I can also say, I'll see you Monday. And I don't use a preposition. And that is also correct. Okay, good. So, to sum up, there are three common prepositions of time, and these are in, on, and at. Okay, we use in when the adverb of time is more than 1 day. We use on when the adverb of time is exactly 1 day. And we use at when the adverb of time is less than 1 day. Okay, now remember, there are also three exceptions. In the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening is the first one. Second one, at the weekend or at weekends. And the last one, at Christmas and at Easter. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video and you may have learned something. Okay, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.